The celestial convergence, Chandra, Tara, and the birth of Buddha. In the celestial realm of Hindu mythology, where gods and goddesses reside in splendor, there existed a love story that would set the heavens ablaze. This is the tale of Chandra, the resplendent moon god, and Tara, the epitome of beauty and virtue, who was wedded to Brihaspati, the esteemed guru of the gods. Chandra, with his luminous glow and ethereal charm, was known far and wide for his captivating presence. Tara, on the other hand, was renowned for her unparalleled grace, wisdom, and devotion to her husband Brihaspati. As time passed, Chandra's admiration for Tara grew into an intense infatuation that consumed his celestial being. Unable to resist the allure of Tara's beauty, Chandra found himself ensnared in the tangled web of desire. One fateful night, under the enchanting glow of the full moon, Chandra made a reckless decision that would reverberate across the cosmos. Driven by his insatiable longing, Chandra stealthily abducted Tara from the heavenly abode she shared with Brihaspati. The news of Tara's abduction spread like wildfire through the celestial realms, sending shockwaves among gods and demons alike. Brihaspati, the wise and revered guru, was devastated by the loss of his beloved wife and vowed to reclaim her at any cost. The abduction of Tara became the catalyst for a cosmic conflict of unprecedented scale. Gods rallied to Brihaspati's cause, standing in solidarity against Chandra's audacious act. Demons, sensing an opportunity amidst the chaos, aligned themselves with Chandra, sparking a celestial war that shook the very foundations of the universe. As the battle raged on, cosmic energies clashed, thunder roared across the skies, and stars fell like tears from heaven. The clash of divine forces painted the celestial canvas in hues of chaos and turmoil. Amidst the chaos, a profound transformation took place. Tara, torn between her love for Brihaspati and the allure of Chandra's enchantment, underwent a metamorphosis of her own. Her essence, infused with the cosmic energies of love and conflict, gave birth to a new celestial being, Buddha, the embodiment of intellect, communication, and harmony. Buddha's emergence heralded a turning point in the cosmic narrative. With wisdom beyond his years, Buddha bridged the divide between gods and demons, forging alliances that transcended cosmic boundaries. His presence brought a semblance of order to the chaos that had engulfed the celestial realm. In the aftermath of the conflict, Chandra realized the folly of his actions and sought redemption for his impulsive deeds. Tara, reunited with Brihaspati through the intervention of Buddha, found solace in the enduring bond of love and forgiveness. And so, the story of Chandra and Tara unfolded, a tale of love and desire, conflict and redemption, woven into the fabric of celestial law. And thus, the birth of Buddha, born of love's embrace and conflict's crucible,